Hello and welcome, friends, to another episode of Affordable School Fountain Pens. This time we are talking about a different writing instrument, and it is a mechanical pencil. I thought that this would be an interesting episode. I know that on this channel it is custom to review fountain pens, but this is a really affordable writing instrument, and I think that this would be an interesting episode for young school children or their parents who need to buy them new school supplies, especially now when they return to school after this long period of, let's say, homeschool. Probably you are familiar with this brand, Talentus. It is a special brand made exclusively for Kaufland. Kaufland is a German retailer in my country, Romania, and it has a line of writing instruments, affordable, made specially for young children, school children, or even for adults at very accessible prices. So, today we are going to talk about a mechanical pencil, or pardon my German, Druckbleistift. So, in German, the mechanical pencil is named Druckbleistift. It uses HB mines, and we have a point of 0.25 millimeters. Like I told you, it is made especially for Kaufland. And on the back of the package, we have written in several languages, and of course we don't have English, but I will translate for Romania. So this is a mechanical pencil. It has a ergonomical shape, a triangular shape, and it assures drawing and relaxing writing. It has also included a eraser under this button here, and also it contains 10 reserves of mines 0.5 millimeters, also branded Talentus. And it's interesting that this product is made exclusively for Kaufland, and it states some distributors, including one from Moldavia, so no one from Romania. But interesting, the country of origin is China. So this mechanical pencil is made in China. Of course, when I reviewed the Talentus fountain pen, it was made, if I'm not mistaken, in the Czech Republic or in Slovenia. I don't know, but it was definitely a country from the EU, European Union. This time, this mechanical pencil is made in China. And I think it's made in China because it has a very affordable price. So I paid 4.99 lei, which means that I paid 1.03 euros or 1.21 American dollars. So a quite cheap, reusable writing instrument. I like this fact. Now we are ready to do the unboxing, and let's see what we have here. Okay, simply take this apart and I will push. No. Okay. Okay. So this is the writing instrument. I believe it was available in different colors, also in black, and I saw a red one on the shelf, but this was the only blue one. I will leave the package aside. The only blue one, and I think it's quite good looking. We can see the transparent. Let's see if we have a mine already. No. So I hope I remember from my school days, because from my early days I didn't use a mechanical pencil. I You can put all the mines, but I prefer to just insert one of the mines. Okay, in my school days, I believe I used the Rotring Tiki, maybe Tiki 2. I don't know. It was quite a reliable instrument. Maybe I could find my old mechanical pencils and um, write with them. Look, the mine is out. You can see it. Let's push it back. So this is the writing instrument. I like the gripping part here. It resembles a rotring instrument. I love the shape of the plastic, transparent plastic. And I also like this clip here. It appears to be metallic, but maybe I'm mistaken. It's just plastic. Certainly this part is plastic. They were right. Of course, you saw that we have here a eraser. I like also this, let's say, gripping part. I don't know if on the mechanical pencil is called this way. And I don't know if you noticed, but this has also a roll of grip to it, so you can hold it like this. You can hold it like this when you draw with it. Being a mechanical pencil, I don't know how to properly test it, so I will do some lines. I will say that we have Talentus mechanical pencil. It is done exclusively for Kaufland, and this is the brand Talentus, and this is made in China. It has affordable price, so I paid 1.03 euros or 1.21 US dollars. It writes. It is usable. Let's see if I can draw the yes. Also the reserve. It is resistant, so it doesn't break so easily. A nice instrument, a reusable instrument at an affordable price. As always, I wish you to have a nice day for the first time written with a mechanical pencil. Thank you for your time. If you liked this unusual review of another writing instrument, this time not a fountain pen, please subscribe to my channel and I will bring you new writing instruments, mostly fountain pens, but time to time there will be another instruments that I find interesting or cheap or affordable, and I think that you would be interested in them. Thank you again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.